Here I have Nokia C31, and today I'm going to show you how to enable talkback feature on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the system section. No, excuse me, not system, go straight to accessibility, then go to the talkback. So here you just have to enable talkback like this, and after that talkback tutorial starts, and it starts like talking non-stop or not. So like talkback is the feature that works the way that it spells like words on your screen. It's meant for people with blindness or some other vision problems. So when you're in talkback, to perform any action you have to firstly select some button, then double tap on it.
Close tutorial. You can come back to it at any time in talkback settings.
Close.
Close button. Accessibility volume set to 100. Settings. Talkback. Permission request.
Okay. Allow.
Settings. Talkback. Use talkback. On. Switch. In list. Double tap to activate.
So in case if you want to disable it, you have to firstly select this, use talkback, then double tap on switcher,
Stop talkback.
then select stop and double tap once again, and after that it will be turned off. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.